after you get married, the husband, let's be honest, he waits for the wife to, go out of the house, tries to be away. And he starts flirting. It's normal. It's harmless. But this couple took it one step further. The wife left. He trying for the maid last straight away. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's have couple number 2 on stage right now, Lauren and Manik.
हेलो
अजी सुनते हो आज मैं जरा देर से आऊंगी
Manik and Lauren, what a fantastic job. Give yourselves a big round of applause. Fantastic. Thank you. So naughty, your item. I heard in real life you're such a sweet, decent guy. How do you do this? How do you get that naughtiness out of you when you got to do an item like this?
She's very beautiful and she's been a great partner also.
And that helps.
Yeah, to an extent, yes.
So you had a chance to flirt with her in real life, you would?
I'm 28 years old and she's 15 years. I'm more than a decade older than her.
So if you had the opportunity to adopt her, you would? So okay. Judges. Shakti. Hello. What do you think?
Very, very naughty. A lot of fun. Very good energy, both of you. Let me talk about Manik a little. You are a rock star. You were in your character throughout till the end. Coming to Lauren, you were smiling, you were being naughty, but somewhere in your eyes I could see that you're nervous. So that's all. Otherwise, I loved it and it was amazing. Thank you.
Zaini?
Manik, I couldn't not watch you. You're such a clown. It was so many faces and going on. Your energy is great. Everything is great. And Lauren, for somebody who's 15, I really salute to you because you tried so many wonderful things that I don't see many 15-year-old girls want to do. So I thought it was really great. And I agree with Shakti. You're a little bit tentative at certain parts. If you could just give your everything to your boss over there.
Deepika ma'am, I'm sure you have something to say. You were smiling throughout the whole item. Let them know how you feel.
If Shah Rukh Khan and Kareena Kapoor were to tune into this song, I think they would be extremely proud with your rendition. It was superb, pulsating with energy. You put the stage on fire. And Lauren, what I really liked about you was the fact that there was a point where your dhoti, it got stuck in your foot. You did not let that get in the way of your dance. So if that contributed to your nervousness, I don't really care because you were just fantastic. Manik, you've got a future on camera, clearly. Your expressions, your energy, your body language. I look forward to seeing you on television or maybe even the big screen. Who knows? It's Dance Singapore Dance.
Yeah.
Let's see where it takes you. All the best.
Thank you very much. And Deepika ma'am said something very, very accurately, and this is not just for you, this is for anybody who comes on stage. No matter what happens during your item, the show must go on. And Lauren, the show went on. Very nice. But right now, what do the judges think? Zaini, this time I'll start off with you. 8 for
Congratulations,
Manik.
Congratulations.
A well-deserved, a very expressive 8. Zaini, what do you think about... Oh, you telling us right there.
Great stuff.
It's a
Great
7.
stuff.
7. It's a big,
Congratulations.
resounding 7 for you. Manik, you're on 8. Lauren, you're on 7. And that's not even the end of your scores yet. More scores are yet to come. So, ladies and gentlemen, this wonderful duo between a boss and his mate, very, very wonderfully done. What's their name? They are from Anil's Avengers, and they are Manik and Lauren. Thank you very much, guys. I know what the next item is roughly about, and to be very honest, judges, it's beginning to sound more and more like we are discussing the problems that the husbands and the wives go through after they get married. Earlier on, I told you what problems the husband goes through. Now I'm telling you it's a common problem. People get married, they decide to have a family. Then when they have a bacha, they love the kid so much. But then the life is all about that kid. And then there goes the marriage. Well, does it or does it not? I'm not one to say. I'll let our next couple who's coming on stage tell us the entire story. People, it's time for you to make some noise for our next couple who's coming on stage. They call themselves Ashraf and Ritu.
टाइम अब सुन लो तुम मेरी बात कहाँ ढूंढोगे इस शहर में क्लब तुम आधी रात Don't waste your time अब सुन लो तुम मेरी बात कहाँ ढूंढोगे इस शहर में क्लब तुम आधी रात जब सारी दुनिया सो जाती है आफ्टर पार्टी हो जाती है आफ्टर पार्टी के भी आफ्टर जो चले ये वो पार्टी है सारी दुनिया सो जाती है आफ्टर पार्टी हो जाती है आफ्टर पार्टी के भी आफ्टर जो चले ये वो पार्टी है Party with the Bhutnath, relax man. Come party with the Bhutnath, relax man. Come party with the Bhutnath, relax man. Now party with the Bhutnath, relax man. जब सारी दुनिया सो जाती है after party हो जाती है after party के भी after जो चले ये वो party है सारी दुनिया सो जाती है after party हो जाती है after party के भी after जो चले ये वो party है पिट्टू चील पतंदर आफ्टर पार्टी घर के अंदर घर है देखो भूत वाला टूटी खिड़की मकड़ी का जाला है Tonight, मुझको बस जागना है कट लो घर को डरपोको जिसको भागना है इतने सालों से हम सब रात को ही तो सोते हैं अब आज जाग लेते हैं अब भूत थोड़ी होते हैं पब्लिक बुलाओ जिसको नाचना है नचाओ मेरे साथ शर्त लगाओ ये करके दिखाओ ये फिर ये अब ये Party with the Bhutnath, relax man. Come party with the Bhutnath, relax man. Come party with the Bhutnath, relax man. Now party with the Bhutnath. Yo, honey singer.
Ashraf, Ritu, take a bow, guys, take a bow. Fantastic. Ashraf, how? Did the paternal instincts in you come out? How do you feel? How do you feel you did that item?
Kind of feel like could have done it better, but yeah, we did.
Yes? You felt you could have done it better?
Yeah.
Judges, what do you think about this concept? Did they win over your hearts? Shut tea.
I think your concept was really good. The way you all started, the energy was great. Choreography, very good, but I felt it could have been executed better.
And Zaini, what do you think about this performance that you just saw? You like this family? Zaini, are you okay? What are you wearing scary masks all during the show?
I think
What is that all about?
This is my monster mask.
And when does this monster come up?
When I get such an uninspiring performance happening on stage. It feels under-rehearsed. Right, how long y'all get to work on this choreography?
1 month.
1 month.
1 month. That's very long time.
Short while.
Very long time.
Okay.
So I'm sure you can do better because, like, you know, we found both of you great in audition. But today is just flat. You know, and the beginning was brilliant, but after that it sort of fizzled out, and I don't think you guys know what to do with the choreography.
So, Deepika ma'am, you saw a family on stage. So, did this family give you more khushi or more gum?
That energy sort of didn't pulsate on stage, unfortunately for me, which is not to say that you're not terrific dancers. You are, and I think if you rehearse just a little bit more, as Zaini said, you'll set the stage on fire very soon.
Zaini, we heard you. Let's talk about this man first, Ashraf.
How much you think you deserve upon 10?
Maybe 5.
5.
5. Ritu?
Same.
I don't know. But you got a 6. So you exceeded your own expectations. Thank you guys.
कुछ खास है कुछ पास है कुछ अजनबी एहसास है कुछ